Hey there, welcome to English Daily. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Thanks for joining us today.
We're really glad you're here. Today's going to be a great episode.
Absolutely. But before we dive in, we need to ask you something important.
That's right. If you're enjoying what we do here, hit that like button. It really makes a difference.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We've got so many more episodes planned for you.
Oh, and tell your friends about us. If someone you know is learning English, send this their way.
Perfect. Okay, Sarah, what's our topic for today?
Well, Mike, I've been thinking about how we take care of ourselves, so let's talk about wellness routines.
Wellness routines. I love that topic.
Yeah, it's about those little things we do daily that make us feel amazing.
Exactly. So, Sarah, walk me through your typical morning.
Well, the very first thing, I wake up.
Well, yes, that does come first. But after that?
I usually head straight for my espresso machine. Can't function without it.
Okay, but here's something you might want to try. Drink a glass of plain water before that espresso.
Water before my coffee?
Yes. While you're sleeping, your body gets dehydrated. Starting with water is like giving your system a proper wake-up call.
Interesting. Should it be cold or room temperature?
Either works. Some people add a squeeze of lemon to warm water. It's all about what you prefer.
That's actually really simple. I can definitely do that.
Great. Now, what about your first meal of the day?
Honestly, I'm usually rushing around. I'll grab whatever's quick, sometimes just crackers or a pastry.
Ah, Sarah, a pastry?
I know. Not ideal, right?
Well, it gives you a quick spike, but then you crash. Try something more substantial, like scrambled eggs, oatmeal, or fresh fruit.
What makes those better?
They give you sustained energy. You won't feel sluggish an hour later.
I do love oatmeal and berries.
There you go. That's a winning combination.
All right, tomorrow I'm starting with oatmeal and berries, my new power breakfast.
Love it. Now let's talk about staying active. Do you work out?
The gym? No way. Too crowded and intimidating for me.
I totally get that. But here's the thing. You don't need a gym membership to stay healthy.
Really? What else can I do?
Simple walking is incredibly effective.
I walk to catch my train every morning. Does that count?
Absolutely. But maybe add a bit more. Do you usually take the elevator?
Yeah, my office is on the 4th floor. I always use the elevator.
Try the stairs instead.
4 flights? That sounds exhausting, Mike.
It's maybe 3 minutes of effort, and it's fantastic for your cardiovascular health.
Okay, 3 minutes isn't bad. I'll give it a shot.
That's what I like to hear. Small changes add up to major results.
I like that philosophy.
Now, you sit at a computer all day, correct?
Unfortunately, yes. I'm basically glued to my desk for 8 hours.
That's rough on your body, especially your shoulders and lower back.
My shoulders are killing me right now, actually.
Here's an easy fix. Every 60 minutes, stand up and move around for just 60 seconds.
Just 1 minute?
Yep. Stretch, walk around, look out the window. It helps circulation and gives your eyes a break from the screen.
I could set a reminder on my watch for that.
Perfect idea. Technology can actually help us build better habits.
So let me recap. Water first thing, nutritious breakfast, take the stairs, and stand up regularly. I'm already feeling healthier.
You're doing great, Sarah, but let's keep going. What do you usually have for lunch?
I typically run to the deli and grab a wrap and a cola.
A cola? That's got quite a bit of sugar.
I know, but it's so refreshing.
It is, but all that sugar can make you feel drained later in the afternoon.
You know what? I do get super tired around 2:30 every day.
There's your culprit. Try switching to flavored seltzer or infused water instead.
Seltzer could work. It's still fizzy and interesting.
Exactly. And with your wrap, try to include more greens, spinach, peppers, carrots.
Make it more colorful.
Yes, think of it as eating the rainbow.
I like that visual. Plus, it actually sounds tasty.
It is. Now, what about afternoon snacking?
I get hungry around 4 p.m. Usually I'll have some chips or candy.
Instead, try keeping nuts or fresh fruit at your desk.
I actually really like cashews. Are those good?
Cashews are excellent. They've got healthy fats and protein.
My brain could definitely use the help.
You're doing wonderfully, Sarah. Now let's talk about evenings. What's your routine before bed?
I usually collapse on the couch, watch some shows, and scroll through social media for way too long.
Ah, the late night scrolling. That's a big one.
Is that actually bad?
The blue light from screens tells your brain it's still daytime, which makes falling asleep harder.
So that's why I toss and turn for an hour.
Exactly. Try putting all screens away an hour before bedtime.
A whole hour? What would I even do?
Read an actual book, listen to a podcast, journal, or chat with someone you care about.
I have a stack of unread books next to my bed.
Perfect time to start one. Reading naturally calms your mind.
Better sleep does sound amazing. I usually wake up feeling exhausted.
Quality sleep changes everything. It's one of the most important things you can do for yourself.
You're absolutely right, Mike. I need to prioritize that.
And here's one more thing. This one's for mental wellness.
For my mind?
Yes, each day identify 3 things you're grateful for.
Like things that made me happy.
Exactly. Maybe your morning coffee, a nice conversation, or a sunny day.
I'm grateful for this conversation right now.
Oh, me too, Sarah. See how good that feels?
It really does make you feel more positive inside.
Gratitude is powerful self-care.
Wow, we covered so much ground today.
We really did. Taking care of yourself doesn't have to be complicated.
Right, it's not about running marathons.
Nope, it's about the small daily decisions we make.
I'm genuinely motivated to start these new habits.
That's wonderful. You can literally start right now.
You're right. I'm going to stand up and stretch this very second.
There you go. See how easy that was?
Thanks, Mike. These suggestions are practical and doable.
I'm glad. And honestly, I'm not perfect at these either. I just try my best.
That's an important point. Nobody's perfect. I'll probably still have treats sometimes.
And that's completely fine. Aim for consistency, not perfection.
Maybe 75% healthy choices, 25% indulgences?
That's a balanced approach.
All right, everyone, let's do a quick review of what we discussed today.
Great idea. We started with mornings, drinking water before coffee.
Then breakfast, choosing nutritious options instead of just quick sugars.
We talked about movement, taking stairs and standing hourly.
Lunchtime, adding more vegetables and swapping soda for seltzer.
Smarter snacking, nuts instead of junk food.
Evening habits, putting away phones and reading before sleep.
And finally, practicing daily gratitude.
You remembered everything perfectly.
It's easy when the advice is this good, and I think our listeners will find this helpful too.
I hope so. When we feel good physically, we learn better too.
That's so true. A healthy mind makes for better learning.
Well, everyone, that wraps up today's episode.
Thanks so much for spending this time with us.
Before you go, we have a question for you.
In the comments, tell us one wellness habit you already have or one you'd like to start.
Write your answer in English. It's excellent practice.
And if you found this helpful, share it with just one person today.
Please hit subscribe and like if you haven't yet. It helps us create more content for you.
This was such a nice conversation, Sarah. I already feel more energized.
Me too, Mike. Everyone, take care of yourselves.
Until next time, goodbye.
Bye, everyone.